Hi everyone, it's Deb. I am here to do the Irish Spring March #BeCreative challenge on this channel. I already had a video up for the Dahlia Designs channel that I filmed last month. And so I thought for this channel I'd do something a little different. And I haven't made one of these in a while. But I'm going to do a pocket letter for St. Patrick's Day, or Irish. If you're not familiar with them, you get one of those trading card sheets. I had bought a box of 100 of them or 50 of them or something, and I'm down to like maybe, I don't know, 10 or something. And then I have to find paper, because what you do is you use paper or make little envelopes, either. That are, I think, 2.5 by 3 to fit in these little pockets. Hang on. Yeah, 2.5 by 3.5 actually. And then I went digging through my stuff. So before I remembered I had a shoebox full of stuff, I did find these two washies and this one, which is not specific to Irish anything, but is green. I have green stickles. Shamrock is actually called, so I have to use that one. I also have this one, which was from Walmart, Studio G glitter glue. And I have a little bit left of this shiny gold tape that I had come from Dollar Tree a long time ago. And then I had pulled this out thinking I might use it like a forgotten thing from for the #Saturday stash/7. I didn't use it, but it was still on my desk. And then I went looking at ribbon, well, a little bit, and I just automatically saw these two. I probably could have used this for fluffy something on my other project too. Anyway, this was unopened. Little pom-poms, which apparently I got at Walmart for 75 cents some time ago, and same with this one. So, and this has some stretch to it, so I might use them for embellishments. And then for paper, I don't think I really have any specific Irish paper, although it's possible that I do, but I can't get to it right now. So what I thought is I'd use this Expressions in ink. There are some papers in here that are perfect for this. So there we go. I think I can probably get pocket letter material out of these 3 sheets. Might just do it. And then there's some others, and there's one that I used part of. So this is Stampin' Up! Paper. And I need to use it because pretty soon, there's another thing I could use, because May 2nd, it goes away. And then here's some with some gold in, and I have one more color. This one has peach flowers on the other side, but this is more of an old olive color, and this is more of a spruce and just jade color, which I actually just used on a card for a tree not long ago. And yeah, I think I'm gonna start with this. This looks more like just jade, and maybe add this one to it. What's on the other side of that? Ooh, I don't know. Those flowers are beautiful too, so we'll see. I have to use it, you know. Sometimes I save the prettiest paper for last, because I don't want to use it. And then, guys, I know I'm going to be doing an organizational video later too, but I have stored a lot of my holiday type stuff in bins or those plastic containers, Irish containers that slide into storage units, which I have, and they're full. And I haven't been using them. So in here I actually have a past pocket letter that someone made me, but maybe there's some goodies in the back of it that I can use for this one. So here was the pocket letter, and yeah, there's some goodies in here I can use for my pocket letter. And Happy St. Patrick's Day pin. This is a headband I can use to wrap around it, maybe. And then here is a stuffed bag someone made me. Let's see who this all was from. I had a swap partner. Oh, this is Polly. Polly's Pretties. So anyway, and then I had nothing in that. But I have more ribbon with shamrocks, this floral raffia ribbon, just some dark green sheer ribbon, and none of this stuff is Stampin' Up. I have some of these green bead things from Dollar Tree that I could use in a shaker if I wanted to. Some other stickers. So not only do I have stickers in a stick, oh, and I have some green, this stuff, filler. Maybe that came out of a box. Oh, I have another pocket letter somebody sent me. Some other stickers. I'm trying to see some cupcake wrappers to make rosettes with. I haven't done that in a long time. Anyway, you get the point. All this stuff is available to me to use to make a pocket letter, right, of my own. So I'm going to get started, and then when I get somewhere close to finished, I'll be back. But that's what I'm going to make this for this project for hashtag Be Creative for March. See you in a minute. So here's the start, everybody. This is where I'm starting. 2.5 by 3.5. And that's also the same size as artist trading cards. So you could just make 9 artist trading cards to be traded with other people. But I like doing pocket letters, so I'm going to decorate it. And I think I decided sort of preliminarily that this is too bulky, except in small chunks. So I'm probably going to put this down here maybe. And also, I actually made another pair of earrings. 1 second. That I didn't get the video for the other channel. And I wanted to share them with you. So I have another project. Right, actually from my Dahlia Designs Jewelry and More channel. But I did make these also for this Be Creative, hashtag Be Creative. And these I found in my stash. They're double-sided. And I think these were leftover beads from a kit. But honestly, it's been a month since I made them almost. And I can't remember. I did this after I filmed the other video though, but soon after. And I can't remember exactly what I used, but I think they're really pretty and they fit the Irish Springs. So I wanted to share them with you. But I'm going to go ahead and decorate now, and I'll come back with a finished pocket letter. But I just wanted to show you the real starting point. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, everyone, I have finished my pocket letter. I have not stuffed the back or anything. So this again is for Irish Spring. And for the hashtag Be Creative. So I did just tie, like, loop this stretchy ribbon, which actually I used quite a lot of. I was going to use it in here, but I couldn't. It just was, yeah. You could use these little bits though. I used some of this, and then I just tied them together with this. And before I did that, I stuck in this little bit of shamrock chain that I think somebody had gifted me. So down the left hand side here, I used this diamond wrap from, I know it's from Dollar Tree, that hadn't been opened, and yeah, I opened it. And I went through my planner sticker books, which I have a lot of, to get some sayings. So I have So Very, Very Lucky here with a little shamrock sticker, and then these are Shaded Spruce from Stampin' Up's Holiday Rhinestone Basic Jewels, because yeah, and they went well. And then here, this was a sticker from washi. It's actually washi here, and it says, "Make today awesome but you couldn't really see it on the paper, so I put it on, I had an extra little strip of this paper, but the reverse side of it. So I just stuck that down there with some other shamrock stickers. This one's on top because it's still wet, and I keep sticking my fingers in it and stuff, but I have another washi going diagonally, the one with the shamrocks. Just a shamrock sticker, which I punched out a 2-inch circle punch, and then the starburst punch, which used to be Stampin' Up! And it's now retired, but it's one of my favorites. And I just glued that down and put stickles around, and 4 dots of stickles, except that you can see I have smeared it. So that one's still drying, so I can't lift this up. And then I think somebody had gifted me these in a pocket letter, and I just used this sticky tape from the Dollar Tree and more of this shamrock ribbon and put it across, and then glued that down on top, hot glued. These are hot glued. On this one and this one, these 2 rectangles, those are from Happy Planner sticker books. This one says find joy in every day. And at the top and bottom I have this washi, and this piece of white here is, and actually this one too, were left over from a sticker sheet that had, I think, these plaid stickers on, and these 2. So these 2, this one and this one over here, were on this sheet, and I finished it and this paper was in there, so I just punched out 2-inch circle punches and used them on here. And that's it. I might put some gems or something on there to bling it up. I think, yeah, let's do that actually. Maybe some gold. Let's do some gold gems. I'm trying not to touch the one. Let me move this out of the way again momentarily. And while I'm doing that, I'm going to move this one out of the way. This is a planner sticker book. It says Good Vibes, and it's not a book, it's a sticker from a sticker book. And this Spring Forward was from a different one. These 2 flowery things were out of the same one as this. And then this is more of that green shamrock washi. And then I went around the edges very slightly, and also this circle with the Studio G glitter glue. That's what I'm trying to go for. And what I want to do is put some gold bling on here while I have you. Maybe just a couple, you know, here and there to add a little something to it. Something to it. We'll put one here, and then we'll put another one, maybe a bigger one here. Nope. I don't know. Here. Nope. Here. I want a triangle kind of feeling to it, like you're supposed to do. This washi tape, I might have to put a little more sticky on that. And those, by the way, were the gilded gems from Stampin' Up. Love those. So that goes in here. And that brings out the gold in here. And then I have on top this one, which was a sticker out of a planner sticker book. So were these little stars, and the 3 and 17, because March 17th is St. Patrick's Day. Now I know our theme is Irish Spring and not necessarily St. Patrick's Day, but that's how I interpreted it. And then this one, this is also a planner sticker, and so is St. Patrick's Day here. These are little stickers from Sticko, which I think came from Walmart, and they're so old that the sticky is coming off and they're falling all over the place, but there were 188 little pieces. This puffy ribbon, whatever, is one of the ones I got on clearance at Walmart a while back, and I hot glued it down. So that added some gold, and this I just put on a little strip of Stampin' Up's Basic White that I have tons of leftovers from. Another planner sticker here, which had a heart on it this time, and I thought, why not? And then 2 other little stickers that they came out of this pack from Hobby Lobby, I think. Yes, Hobby Lobby. They're smaller ones here. just put them in there. I found the word March in a planner book, and there's two yellow hearts and a sort of a bluish green heart here. And then the word March I was actually going to put up here, but I didn't like it, so I just stuck it down here. Again, put it on a piece of white and flagged it. Poorly, I see, because I did it by hand. And then that's about it. Oh, and yeah, this one I already explained. So once they're dry, they'll go in here, and that will be my pocket letter to send off to somebody. Normally I would do a beaded charm, but you know what? I made one on my other Dahlia Designs channel last month, which I called a purse charm, or it could be a planner charm. Could go on a pocket letter to somebody. But yeah, let me know what you think. Aren't these fun to make? And you can use up bits and bobs of stuff you have around. How do you store your holiday stuff? Do you keep it in separate containers, or do you have it all mixed in with your other stuff? Like, for example, washi. Would you have your shamrocks and stuff washi in with all your other washi? Or would you put it in the tub, a separate tub with all the St. Patrick's Day, March, spring stickers? Or how would you do it? Because I have little shoe boxes or sweater boxes, plastic, for Easter, Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, and then I have the iris containers, like a whole cabinet full for Christmas, including paper, but also stickers, embellishments, and whatnot. And then, but my stamps and stuff are somewhere else. But anything holiday, including washi, is in like the Christmas bins, or then I have separate ones for fall and also for winter. So let me know how you do it, because I'm getting ready to participate in a collaboration, and the first thing, I'm going to do a separate video on that, and the first thing, let's see, the sponsor is Peppermint Piety for that one, so watch out for that video. But the first month we're doing ribbons, trims, and washi. Where do you see my washi? I'll be destashing. That's a goal, but the rest of it I have to organize, and so I'm open for ideas on how you do it. Let me know, or let me know in the comments to my intro video for that one. Okay? Thank you, Terry from the Tapping Flamingo, a Bohemian Hippie, for hosting #BeCreative. I'm trying to go out of my comfort zone and do some different types of things now. Let me know what you think of my pocket letter. Alright guys, I had a lot of fun making it. Bye for now.